Business trucking owners, if you ever wonder what actually gets a trucking company approved for funding, this video is for you. Today I'm breaking it down step by step so you know what lenders look for, what to prepare, and how to improve your approval odds without the runaround. Welcome back, it's Demetrius. I help business owners understand funding and how to position their business to get approved. In this video, I'm walking you through the trucking funding approval process step by step, from preparation to application to what commonly causes delays. If you want more content on trucking funding and business funding, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss the next video. Why approvals get delayed? The truth about the runaround. Incomplete documents. Unclear use of funds. Too many overdrafts and non-sufficient fees. Request amount not matching cash flow. Waiting until it's a full emergency. Now here's the key line. Approval is not just about applying. It's about how you show up on paper. Number one, know exactly what you need funding for. And here are some examples. Fuel, repairs, maintenance, insurance, payroll, driver expenses, working capital, growth, adding truck routes. For example, breakdown: fuel, $15,000, repairs, $20,000, insurance, $10,000, working capital, $30,000. Now, clear use of funds helps underwriting move faster. Number two, understand what lenders look at. They look at cash flow and deposits, bank statements, health, non-sufficient fees, overdraft, time in business, revenue trend, exiting debt load, credit profile, and use of funds. Now, number three, build your funding ready file before you apply. Now, this is what you need to have ready. Your last 3 to 6 months business bank statements, your photo ID, business details, entity, EIN, bank verification, voided check if requested, invoices, contracts, payment history is helpful, repair estimates or equipment quotes if applicable. Now, the fastest approval usually happens when documents are ready up front. Number four, clean up red flags before applying. Now, this reduces overdraft, non-sufficient fees, avoid negative balances, separate business and personal spending. Now, key deposits consistent. Avoid large unexplained withdrawals. Even a short cleanup period can improve how your file looks. Number five, request the right amount. Don't overreach. Ask for what your cash flow can support. Match amount to actual need. Now, use a phase plan. Stabilize first, grow next. Example, don't ask for $250K with no plan. Ask for what solves the immediate problem and supports repayment. Number six, apply strategically, not everywhere. Avoid scattershot applications. Use one clean, targeted application process. Now, match funding type to business need. Targeted application save time and protect momentum. Number seven, respond fast during underwriting. Check calls and emails. Submit requested docs quickly. Clarify deposit dips or unusual expenses. Be honest and direct. Speed and clarity during underwriting can make the difference. Now, common reasons trucking companies get denied and fixes: too many non-sufficient fees, overdraft, weak deposits, too much stacked debt, asking for too much, missing docs, no clear use of funds. Now, this is how you can fix it. Many denials are not final. Often something needs to be cleaned up and resubmitted. Now, here are 3 trucking approval scenarios. Scenario A, fuel and repairs, steady deposits and clear estimates. Scenario B, insurance and working capital, revenue is strong, timing gap exists. Scenario C, growth request, clear plan to add routes and trucks. Now tie this back to deposits, bank statement, health, right-sized request, clear use of funds. If you own a trucking business and want to improve your approval odds, comment funding and tell me how long you've been in business, your average monthly revenue, and what you need the funding for. Getting approved for trucking funding is a process, but when you understand the steps, you can move faster and smarter. If this video helped you, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more funding content. I'll see you in the next video.